Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us do the activity 4, that is the solution of quadratic equation by completing square. Objective of this activity is to obtain the solution of a quadratic equation by completing a square geometrically. Here we will solve the quadratic equation x square plus 4x is equal to 60. Materials required for this activity are hardboard, glazed paper, a pair of scissors, adhesive, marker, white chart paper. Then method of construction. First, take a hardboard of convenient side and paste a white chart paper on it. Draw a square of length x unit. Here we are taking 6 units as x on a green glazed paper and paste it on the hardboard. Divide it into 36 unit squares with a marker. Follow this figure 1. So figure 1 represents a square of side x unit and it is divided into 36 unit squares. Then along with each side of the square outside, paste rectangles of yellow glazed paper of dimension x into 1. Here this is 6 into 1 and divide each of them into unit squares with the help of a marker. So refer figure 2. So this is the figure representing x square plus 4x as the rectangles, 4 rectangles having area x square unit. So as they have length x unit and breadth 1 unit. So this is the figure representing x square plus 4x. Draw 4 squares, each of side 1 unit on a red glazed paper. Cut them out and paste each unit square on each corner to complete the square. So refer figure 3. So here this figure represents x square plus 4x plus 4. So here we add 4 units in the left side of the quadratic equation. So we have to add 4 in the right side also. So the right side will be 64. So the equation will be x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 64. So draw another square of dimension 8 into 8 and arrange the above 64 unit squares as shown in figure 4. So what we obtained from our previous figure, all the 64 figures are arranged, all the 64 unit squares are arranged as shown in figure 4. So this figure represents a square having dimension x plus 2 unit. So this is a square having area x plus 2 whole square. So each side is equal to x plus 2 unit. So the first square represents total area x square plus 4x plus 4. The second square represents a total of 64 unit squares. So thus x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 64. So that is equal to x plus 2 whole square is equal to 8 square, or x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 8. So that means x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 10. Since x represents the length of the square or side of the square, we cannot take x is equal to minus 10 in this case, though it is a solution x is equal to 6. So we represent x square plus 4x plus 4 as a square having side x plus 2 unit. So x square plus 4x plus 4, that is equal to x plus 2 whole square. So this is the concluded picture, that is x square plus 4x plus 4 can be represented as the square having side x plus 2 unit. So x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to x plus 2 whole into x plus 2. So observation, it is obvious that we can take any quadratic equation and make the squares as described above and solve them to obtain solutions by the method of completing the square. Thank you.